Hey guys, are you want to buy best car engine oils? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car engine oils that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Valvoline Heavy Duty Synthetic Engine Oil. This heavy-duty synthetic blend engine oil is engineered with advanced additive technology to provide superior protection for critical components under extreme operating conditions and high temperatures. In Cummins ISB engine tests, it demonstrated 35% better wear protection compared to industry standards, highlighting its reliability in demanding applications. Designed for extended oil life in high-heat environments, it effectively controls wear, prevents deposits, and resists oil breakdown while complying with low emission requirements. Its formulation ensures that diesel engines operate efficiently and last longer, making it a trusted choice for commercial and heavy-duty vehicles. The oil meets or exceeds API service CK4, CJ4, CI4+, CI4, CH4, and SN standards, and is approved or recommended for a wide range of engines, including Cummins CES 20086. Ford WSSM 2C171F1, Volvo VDS 4.5, Mack EOS 4.5, Detroit Diesel DFS 93K222, and Caterpillar ECF3. This blend provides dependable performance, maximum engine longevity, and superior protection, ensuring peace of mind for professional operators and fleet managers alike. Now our second product is Castrol Full Synthetic Motor Oil. This premium full synthetic motor oil offers unmatched engine protection and performance, making it an ideal choice for modern vehicles. Tested rigorously, it is 3x stronger than leading full synthetics in viscosity stability, ensuring your engine remains protected under extreme conditions. High-stress performance is also remarkable, delivering 10x better protection under heavy load and torque scenarios, as proven in SEEK 9 tests. Designed for convenience and durability, it supports up to 20,000 miles between oil changes or 1 year, whichever comes first, reducing maintenance frequency without compromising engine health. The oil meets and exceeds critical industry standards, including API SQ/SP/SN+/SN, ILSAC GF7, and GM Dexos 1 Gen 3. It also meets engine test requirements for Chrysler MS6395 and Ford's WSSM 2C946B1 and WSSM 2C96101 specifications, ensuring broad compatibility with modern vehicles. With superior wear protection, enhanced high-stress performance, and extended oil life, this synthetic motor oil provides reliable, long-lasting performance, safeguarding your engine while optimizing efficiency and reliability. Our third product is Valvoline Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. This high-mileage motor oil with max life technology is designed to extend engine life and maintain peak performance in older vehicles. It offers 40% better wear protection than industry standards, helping prevent engine breakdown and prolonging the life of critical components. The formula includes seal conditioners that reduce oil consumption and minimize leaks, making it ideal for high-mileage engines. Advanced detergents combat sludge, corrosion, rust, and deposits, keeping the engine clean internally and ensuring smooth operation over time. Friction-fighting additives enhance performance while improving fuel efficiency, giving your vehicle both power and economy. Meeting or exceeding ILSAC GF6A, API SP, API SN with SN+, and API SN standards, this oil guarantees broad compatibility and reliable protection. Proudly American, made by the original motor oil brand, trusted for over 150 years, it combines decades of expertise with modern technology. For high-mileage engines, this motor oil ensures long-lasting protection, efficiency, and a cleaner, smoother-running engine. Now number 4, Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy 0W20 Full Synthetic Motor Oil is engineered to deliver exceptional fuel efficiency and superior engine protection. Its low-viscosity formulation helps reduce engine friction, improving fuel economy without compromising performance. Powered by Mobil 1's signature triple-action formula, It ensures outstanding engine cleanliness, protection, and overall performance. The oil helps safeguard critical engine components for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes, controlling oxidation to prevent oil breakdown and maintain optimal viscosity under a wide range of driving conditions. Meeting ILSAC GF6 standards, this motor oil provides protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and timing chain wear, ensuring smoother engine operation and longevity. Its advanced formulation actively combats deposit and sludge buildup, keeping the engine clean and efficient. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy 0W20 is a trusted choice for drivers seeking enhanced fuel efficiency, extended engine life, and reliable protection, combining modern synthetic technology with proven performance to maintain engine health and efficiency mile after mile. And our last choice is K&N Motor Oil Synthetic Engine Oil. K&N Premium Full Synthetic Motor Oil is designed to keep your engine running like new, offering advanced protection and performance for modern vehicles. Its advanced Synthemax technology incorporates unique additives that shield critical engine components, reducing wear and tear even under demanding conditions. This ultra-synthetic oil delivers superior engine protection, minimizing harmful contaminants, sludge buildup, and deposits that can compromise engine efficiency over time. By controlling friction and maintaining optimal lubrication, it ensures smoother operation and extends engine life. Ideal for all climates, K&N Full Synthetic provides reliable all-weather performance, maintaining viscosity and protection in both extreme cold and high heat. Whether navigating freezing winters or scorching summers, it helps your engine perform consistently and efficiently. Trusted for its durability and engineered with precision, K&N Premium Full Synthetic Motor Oil is perfect for drivers seeking long-lasting engine protection, cleaner operation, and smoother performance, ensuring peace of mind and optimal reliability every mile of the journey. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.